Getting started with CIS18, a practical guide for IT teams. Cybersecurity can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling multiple responsibilities and limited resources. That's where the CIS controls come in. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with CIS18, a globally recognized framework for building a stronger cyber defense. CIS18 is a set of 18 prioritized cybersecurity controls developed by a global community of experts. They're designed to help organizations defend against the most common cyber threats by focusing on what matters most. CIS18 is divided into 3 levels called implementation groups. Most teams should start with Implementation Group 1, or IG1. It includes 56 key safeguards that provide the foundation of any cyber defense. Think of it as your minimum baseline: realistic, actionable, and high impact. So what should you focus on first? Here are 5 areas within IG1 that are critical. Know what you have. Build and maintain an inventory of your devices and software. Control who gets access. Limit admin privileges and use strong authentication. Keep systems updated, regularly patch vulnerabilities. Train your people. Awareness training reduces risk from phishing and human error. Backup data. Make sure backups are secure, tested, and easily restorable. Getting started doesn't mean fixing everything overnight. Start by assessing where you are today, then prioritize based on risk. Use a checklist or tracking tool to monitor which safeguards you've implemented and where to focus next. CIS18 isn't just a one-time project. It's a framework for continuous improvement. Review progress regularly, involve colleagues where needed, and adjust your efforts as your business and threats evolve. The CIS18 controls give you clarity, structure, and confidence in your cyber defense. Start with IG1, focus on what matters, and take one step at a time. Thanks for watching.